Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to widen the current flower bed and redo the edging. I will share with you a simple and a non-permanent way to edge with landscaping bricks. Anyone can do it. No experience is needed. The company that did the hardscape planted also the blue spruce, thinking it was some kind of dwarf that wouldn't exceed 2 meters in width. However, it's already larger and still growing, so the flower bed has to be adjusted. Do not get me wrong, it is a stunning tree, but its branches have been hanging over the edging and grass, so I had to prune it, even though I always fear it might ruin the beautiful shape and it will be visible. And because we like having annuals around the curve, we have made a decision to expand the flower bed. The first thing I did was to use a garden hose to outline the new shape and size. Then I rearranged the edging bricks to see if I liked it. It went quite easily to lift them with my hands and adjust the position by kicking them in place. The last part was a bit tricky because the bricks were so buried, but I used my favorite moon shovel and it worked. When I was finally happy with the new look of the flower bed, I had to lift the bricks in small sections and fill the lower area with soil where the bricks had been originally placed. This part was not easy because the entire area is covered with landscaping fabric and the roots of the surrounding plants were holding it down. I also had to peel off the grass from the fabric. I could not believe how strong the grass roots were. I have used them to fill the holes and level the area. Together with some soil and compost, which I added, it will improve the soil quality. To tell you the truth, I prefer not to use the landscaping fabric, but my parents do. Our soil is very much clay and it needs to be improved big time. As the flower bed is slightly wider, I had to add pieces of landscaping fabric. That part was easy. I used the rubber mallet to compact and level the area where I was placing the edging. I also used it to level the bricks and attach them closely to each other. Occasionally, I used sand and small stones to raise the bricks and ensure they were all leveled. I removed the solid lawn to lay bricks and then used a shovel to cut the remaining grass into smaller pieces to speed up the composting process. To tell you the truth, this was a hard job. After properly placing all the bricks on the fabric, I cut away the excess. Then I started to spread some mulch I had on hand, but I didn't really like the color and the size compared to the rest of the flower bed, so I'm currently waiting for bulk delivery of mulch. I pre-dug holes for the begonias, which I had to move so they follow the curve. And to make sure the plants will be happy, I have also added some compost to the regular potting mix. Then I covered the area and cut out the holes for the flowers. After that, I dug up the begonias and transplanted them into their new location and made sure to water them very well, as it is 39 degrees Celsius during the next few days.